Considered by astronomers to be Earth's twin sister, Venus has many similarities with our planet. However, what makes many people call Venus a strange planet? Venus is the brightest planet in the solar system after the Moon and the Sun. Compared to Earth, it is the first star to appear at night and last to disappear at dawn. Venus is the second planet from the Sun in the solar system and is named after the Roman god of love and beauty, Venus. Venus is also known as the evening star or morning star. Venus is one of the brightest objects in the sky, so it is often mistaken for an unidentified flying object, UFO. Venus's diameter is 12,092 kilometers, only 650 kilometers smaller than Earth's, and its mass is 81.5% of Earth's mass. Venus rotates very slowly. One day on Venus is equivalent to 224.7 days on Earth. Venus rotates around the Sun in 225 days, compared to Earth's 365 days. Topographical research and surface measurements of Venus have been carried out by many Russian and American spacecraft. Data show that this planet was formed more than 4 billion years ago, but the surface is relatively young, only 500 million years old. Venus is the only planet in the solar system that rotates counterclockwise. Venus rotates from east to west, while all other planets rotate in the opposite direction, from west to east. In other words, on Venus, the Sun rises in the west and sets in the east. On Venus, at an altitude of 60 kilometers, winds blow at a speed of 400 kilometers per hour. The dense atmosphere creates a greenhouse effect that makes the planet extremely hot. At an altitude of about 80 kilometers, there is something that absorbs all the ultraviolet rays from the Sun, and this remains a mystery to scientists. The entire surface of Venus is a dry desert of rocks and dust, and there are probably still active volcanoes on the planet. About 80% of Venus's surface is covered by flat volcanic plains, or 70% ridged plains and 10% lobed plains. The total mass of carbon dioxide surrounding Venus is 96.5% of the mass of the atmosphere, and most of the remaining mass is 3.5% of nitrogen. Northrop Grumman's VAMP probe is an inflatable, propeller-driven flying vehicle made from lightweight composite materials. Researchers say it could become the best candidate for the mission to explore Venus's sulfur-dense sky. VAMP is capable of flying 50 kilometers above the surface of Venus, performing exploration missions. Studied the chemical composition and atmospheric characteristics of the planet. According to Ron Pollodan, chief designer of Northrop Grumman, the VAMP's wingspan needs to be about 55 m long. The vehicle is currently at technology level 3 and needs to advance to at least level 6 when entering the design selection phase of the U.S. Aerospace Agency, NASA.